Welcome to the Simply Brittney channel. Today I will show you how to insert a pre-threaded bobbin into a top drop-in sewing machine. I am demonstrating on a Brother SC425, the Enthusiast edition, used for both embroidery and sewing. First, make sure the needle is in the highest position by rotating the hand wheel towards you. Next, remove the bobbin cover plate by pushing the release lever to the right. The bobbin cover will pop up sufficiently enough to remove the cover. Place it to the side. Insert the bobbin, making sure the bobbin rotates counterclockwise when you pull the thread. Next, pull the thread following the arrows along the sewing machine. Then, replace the bobbin cover plate. You have successfully inserted a pre-threaded bobbin into a top drop-in sewing machine.